Even with logical operators, everything is true except Boolean false and nil. Interesting thing about the expression with logical operator in Lua is that it returns one of the operands and not just true and false. With AND, it would return the last value if there is no false value. So it is printing the last operand, which is third. And as soon as it finds any false value, it stops the comparison and returns that value. So if there is nil and false, it will return nil first, because it is the first false in the expression. With OR, it looks for the first true value and returns. So here it is printing the first. So if we put false or nil as the second or third operand, it will still return first. If we put false as the first operand, then it returns the next truthy value, which is second and third, and so on. If everything is false, then it returns the last false value. The last one is the not operator and reverses the truthy value to false and false value to true. So false and nil become true, and everything else becomes false. So that includes number, string, or table, or anything else will become false.